Hey everybody, what's going on? I just wanted to share some magic today that I have really been wanting to share for a while. But I am totally PMSing and craving chocolate, so now it's like the perfect time. So this is gonna be a recipe, and I'm gonna talk quick because everybody hates those videos where they talk about why they're doing the recipe and stuff before they do it. So I'm just gonna do the damn thing. And then this is actually really quick to make. It doesn't require any cooking at all. 4 ingredients and you have your own chocolate. And these 4 ingredients, the only thing I will say about this is I found this recipe online, you know, and there was a big long story about how the girl had tried a lot of different things, and she was trying to make Moose Tracks fudge, like in the ice cream, and that this worked best for her. So that's the only backstory that you're gonna get. And so the 4 ingredients you need are powdered sugar, 1 cup of powdered sugar, okay, 1/4 cup of canola oil, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, but you want like powdered salt, not fine salt. Fine salt is too coarse. You want powdered. I got popcorn salt. This Morton's popcorn salt is not flavored or anything. It's just salt. It's not like got butter, you know, because there's butter salt for popcorn. But this is like powder. You need it like powder, like the powdered sugar, because there's not really a lot of dissolving agent going on. And then you need cocoa. And in her recipe, she's particularly said that Dutch processed cocoa is closest to what she was trying to get to, and it works. And I was scared when I went to the store. I was like, Dutch processed? Do I need to go to a fancy store? No. I just went to Meijer. I was like, I'll go look there first. There's a couple different kinds. I don't normally get Ghirardelli because it's the best, but it is on sale. So there's this that straight up says Dutch processed. It's just with the other cocoa. And then Hershey's cocoa. I often use either Nestle's or Hershey's cocoa, but this is the special dark kind, because the special dark kind is the kind that is Dutch processed, and it says tiny Dutch cocoa under it. Okay, so I'm actually going to use, this one's not open, so I'm going to use this one. Just as a comparison, here's the normal cocoa. You want this. Okay. So, I like to use this deeper container. It doesn't make a whole lot. The container will be filled up maybe about like that. But you mush it together, so you want plenty of room, and yeah. Okay, so cup of powdered sugar. I kind of like to do this over the sink because I always make a mess, but I'll definitely do the cocoa over the sink. Okay, I lied, I'm doing it over the sink. I don't want a bunch of crap on the counter, and it's just hard to level it off. Okay. 1 cup powdered sugar. Oh, I guess I've got the cocoa in front, blocking the view. Sorry about that. Well, if I take it back further. Anyway, I'm afraid if I try to adjust the phone, I'll just knock it over. I'll put things up while I'm going. That way I don't have a big mess later. Okay, so 1 cup powdered sugar. 1/4 cup cocoa. And again, I'm stepping over here to the sink because this cocoa is actually really messy. And it's got like a red tint to it, and it gets like everywhere. Okay. Cocoa. 1/4 teaspoon salt. And do the dry ingredients first, okay? Do the dry first. I'm gonna do this over the sink too. I don't like to accidentally add too much salt because I'm not huge on, well, it's just not the best for you. Okay, I don't want like too much of that. Okay, my salt. I actually keep my regular salt with other stuff, and I keep my popcorn salt with my dessert stuff. Okay. Before you add the canola oil, just kind of stir all your powdered stuff together. Because you want It just makes for a better consistency when mixing. You want to make sure that salt gets like stirred throughout, because like I said, since there's not much of a dissolving agent, stuff, it doesn't move around a lot. And you don't want to just take one bite and get that whole 1/4 teaspoon salt and then not taste it anywhere else, because you don't really want to taste it a lot. It's just that Moose Tracks fudge and ice cream, it does have a little hint of salt to it to bring down the sweetness. Okay, so this is all mixed together now. I don't really see any like white left from the powdered sugar. It's all mixed together. And so now I'm gonna dump in your 1/4 cup of canola oil. Yay, almost done. See, this is like really fast. This video's only been going 6 minutes and 30 seconds. And part of that time has been me talking a little bit. So if you're not babbling into a video, this goes even faster. Okay, excuse me. I'm not sick. I'm the only one eating this anyway. And so when you're done, you can eat this with a spoon. You can put it on a cake. You can stir it up into ice cream. You keep it in the fridge and it'll get cold, but it like doesn't harden. It's not like fudge that like sets up. It's not gonna set up to where you like kind of, I mean, you can pick it up, but it's like mushy. It's like, it doesn't harden all the way. I normally keep it in the fridge, but again, don't just like shove the spatula down in it, because it'll poof up at you. And you're kind of like mushing it together, because that canola oil is the only moisture that there is. If you can see where I'm going, see how some of it's kind of turned into chocolate? Since that's the only moisture that there is, you're kind of just like spreading it around all that powdered stuff. And you don't want to, like, I like the deeper container because, see, I'm kind of mushing it. See, I'm mushing it up against the side of the container and then putting it back down and like collecting more of that powdered stuff from the bottom. When you are done, it's just gonna look like chocolate. There's not gonna be any powdered stuff left. Right now you can kind of see maybe there's still like the powdered stuff in it. Okay, we want all that gone. All that should be gone. Kind of scraping my stuff down here. Just mush that. Keep mushing it. You just keep mushing that powdered into the rest of it until. So this is the longest part. This takes the longest out of all of it. Fast, easy chocolate. It does. Gives you a little heartburn. But then I'm 43. By the time you're 40, like, everything gives you heartburn. So just keep Rolaids and try to enjoy life the best that you can. I had to set this down a little bit. So yeah, I'm just still mushing it, but my arms are getting tired because I'm old. No pain, no gain though, right? All right, I am almost done. That is almost, whoops. I'm trying not to make a mess, but I'm still making a mess. All that powdered is almost mixed up. I don't know. Maybe a wider container would be better, but I tend to slosh things around a lot. Okay, I'm so excited. I'm almost done. We have almost reached the finish line. See? Chocolate, chocolate, chocolate. Yeah, so I actually, when I first discovered this recipe, I went and bought this stuff. It's been months ago. And good thing about baking stuff, it lasts a long time. So you go get one packet of cocoa and the salt in the bottle. It lasts a really long time. You can make, this is probably, I don't know, the 5th or 6th time I've made this chocolate. So it doesn't make a lot. So if you want to make more, I'm sure you could double the recipe. Okay, I think we're done. Kind Yeah, kind of scrape it away from the sides and lift it up to make sure there's no powdered stuff left. Look at that. Straight up chocolate. That is so exciting. I haven't done this in a while. Yeah, and it is like edible right now. No baking. That is it. And I was a little skeptical at first because I was like, what? No baking? Is this going to kill me? And I looked like on the back of a chocolate bar, just like a Hershey bar, what the ingredients was. And it was like, I think it did say canola oil or something. I was like, okay, you can eat that. Okay, so it just looks like chocolate. Where's the camera? See, chocolate. Check it out. You can eat it. Yeah. Really good, really good. Chocolate. Last time I had it, I had graham crackers here. And I just spread it on the graham crackers and eat it. It was so good. I don't have any graham crackers. I'm just gonna eat it. So yeah. Maybe I'll like type the recipe out in the comments or something, but easy. Make it for yourself right now. You'll be happy you did. I'll see you guys later. I'm gonna go eat my chocolate.